Hey everybody, welcome to the Gargoyles Den. I'm Gargoyle, of course, and today's video is going to be a pig hunt video, but a pig hunt of a different sort. I went to Goodwill again, and boy did I get a good deal this time. These two bags, you know, I went to Goodwill last time. I think it was the last one that I posted for you guys was when it was a brand new Goodwill. They charged me $7.50 for 5 used cars. 5 used cars for $7.50. I could have went and bought brand new ones for that much. This time I've got 2 bags, and there's more than just cars in here. There's action figures and stuff in here too. We got these huge bags for $9 total between the two of them. So let's go ahead and rip into them and see exactly what we got. I did already check out one thing, just a comp. This car right here basically is worth enough to pay for both bags. So yeah, there's that. Let's go ahead and rip into it and see what we got here. Good thing about this is I can also collect action figures and stuff, so a lot of these action figures I probably keep for myself. And whatever I don't want, my grandson gets. It's a win-win all the way around. Like these bar cars, he likes those. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if I give quite a few of them to him. And I'll keep things like this. Imagine next Robin. Yeah, see, some of these come in handy too. This one I've comped before. It's for $4 or $5, I think it was. Last time I comped it. I don't know if it's still worth that much, but we'll find out. Don't know what that is. I'm thinking I should recognize that symbol, but I don't. My grandson likes motorcycles, so he'll get that. Alright, let's see what we got for cars, because that's what you guys are here for. You guys want to see the cars. Hey. Ford Expedition, no, Land Rover. It's not a Ford, it's a Land Rover. Pretty nice. And cheap Camaro, McDonald's toy. That was not it. Drifter. That was fairly new, I think. And it's a cheap one. Cars toy number 1, 2, 3. There we go. I'm guessing that's Minecraft. It's got the little bow on the front. And all the pixelation. Let's see. I don't see an actual name on it. Can't tell. It's got a date 2010 to 2017. Never seen that either. Plastic dog bone. A squishy dog. Looks almost like a rat. Alright, some more Magnext. And it's a cheap one. Grandson can have that. Put all these up here. Bowser! I've never had Bowser. That one's definitely staying with me. Another McDonald's style car. It's a pullback. Another Cars car. Another Cars car. It's a plastic one though. This is probably going to be a McDonald's toy. Yeah. And Batman. He's kind of cheesy. Yep. Hey, there's the blue one. And the pink one. Ah, Batman. And this is from Ryan's World, I think. There's another Batman. Oh, I thought it was a Micro Machine at first. It's just some cheap, small. It's alright. What the hell? Put it in a pile. That's a Cars car. Little Cars piggy car. I mean cop car. And a tractor. Somebody's bracelet. Piece of pizza. You never know what you're going to find in these things. What we got here? This is to one of the Batman, obviously, but I don't know what this is supposed to be. No, it's a Batman thing, too. It's got a bat on it. Bat boomerang or something. Oh, let's take it over here with these guys. Guessing I might go with Batman. I don't know. I'll go with one of the characters. Alright, so out of that one, we didn't get a whole lot of diecast cars. These four and a bunch of cars. But still, I got a lot of action figures, so some of them I have, some of them I didn't have. Oh, there's another Cars car. Alright, let's go ahead and get this cleaned out of the way, the cheap cars out of the way. I could look that one up too. Oh, almost missed one. Alright. And the second bag, which also has some Cars cards, and it's also got some diecast cars. I still can't believe I got these all this for $9. You know, yeah, I'm sure there's no treasure hunts in it or anything like that, but still, you know, it gives me fodder, so to speak, to do modifications and customs with, so. Dump truck, that would definitely go to my grandson. He loves dump trucks for some reason. Garbage trucks. That's a cheap one. There's open wheel. There's a Cars car. Bowser! More cars. More cars. They had a plethora of cars, didn't they? Cars airplane. Another car. Damn. Well, that was the same Bowser. Damn, I thought it was the second one. I got all excited. Cheap. There's this Motor Max. Cheap. Cars car. That's kind of cool looking. Cars car. God damn. Maybe I bought this more for him. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's just, no, it's a Cars car. Damn. I actually like that one. Over here, sure. Bone shaker. Bone shaker. Can't see the R on the one side. What the hell? And it's some cheap plastic thing. Another Cars car. Jesus. What's this? See-through. But it's a Hot Wheel. I'll take it. I'm guessing that was a Cars car or a knockoff Cars car, one of the two. And goes with that one. Yeah, it's just missing the windshield. Snake vehicle. That is garbage. I know what this is from Monster Trucks. It's Crush Vehicle. Okay. Give that to my grandson too because he has a bunch of monster trucks that he plays with. These are garbage. This is garbage. So, not quite as many 1/64 diecasts as I thought there was, but we have all this for the car stuff. So, yeah, I'll give a couple of them to my grandson. And then the rest I'll probably put in a big lot and put them up on eBay. Make my money back for the 2 bags and all the action figures and diecasts. Those will all be for me. Alright, that's it for this one. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.